Hey everybody, it's Lucas Purdon here at Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number CP15797T. This is a JK Rubicon Hard Rock. It's one owner, four-wheel drive with 373 gears. It's got red tow hooks up front. On this side here, it has 17-inch alloy wheels with new rubber on them. Rock rails down below here. Take a look inside here. It's got black leather, power windows and locks, heated leather seats, heated mirrors. Steering wheel has all your controls for your speed and your phone voice recognition. It's got GPS navigation, remote start, your four-wheel drive, your center console with cup holders down here. It has the 4-to-1 rock track transfer case with true lock differentials, quick disconnect sway bar, premium 9-speaker Alpine stereo system, 6.5-inch touchscreen stereo display. Let's take a look in the back. Back's very clean. Cup holders down below here, window controls, if you can see that. Sound bar up top, all Alpine. Get your hitch already here. Tow hooks. Very clean vehicle inside and out. Again, we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number CP15797T. I'm Lucas Purdon. Come visit us at Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or give me a call at 937-778-0830 extension 1129, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.